When it comes to human dignity, we cannot make compromises. Make bold choices and make mistakes. It's all those things that add up to the person you become. The question is not whether we are able to change but whether we are changing fast enough. We will have to accept a certain degree of legal immigration. That's globalization. In the era of the smartphone, we cannot shut ourselves away. People know full well how we live in Europe. For me, it is always important that I go through all the possible options for a decision. We need to say to people that this is a temporary residential status, and we expect that, once there is peace in Syria again, you go back to your home country with the knowledge that you have gained. Climate change knows no borders. It will not stop before the Pacific Islands, and the whole of the international community here has to shoulder a responsibility to bring about a sustainable development. We are a country based on democracy, tolerance, and openness to the world. Hatred, racism, and extremism have no place in this country. That is why everyone in politics, and we do it, must make sure that they do not depend on one single interest group. A good compromise is one where everybody makes a contribution. Politicians have to be committed to people in equal measures. Multiculturalism leads to parallel societies and therefore remains a lifeline. I chose to pursue a career in physics because there the truth isn't so easily bent. Controversial disputes are a part of democratic culture. We're saying this to both countries. We want a two-state solution. We want a Jewish state of Israel and alongside an independent Palestinian state. Unilateral measures are not helping at all to bring about this cause. We will be very persistent when it comes to enforcing freedom, justice, and self-determination on the European continent. We needed 40 years to overcome East Germany. Sometimes in history, one has to be prepared for the long haul. For Germany, Europe is not only indispensable, it is part and parcel of our identity. We've always said German unity, European unity and integration, that's in two parts of one and the same coin. But we want, obviously, to boost our competitiveness.
Please, like, subscribe, share, inspire and support.
Thank you.